Good day, my wonderful people. It's me again, the great, one more great countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. And hit the notification button. Yo, yesterday I did a video on SHABDON finally shake up and respond to Sir P. And I had a lot of comments and a lot of people were saying that I am wrong, Sir P is right. Well, it's not a wrong or right issue. I am giving my opinion to what Sir P has put out there. So my opinion is my opinion and my views. I try to explain that I don't see anything that really link SHABDON to what Mr. P is saying. But I do know SHABDON is mixed up. I do know him have a lot of money through him father. I am not saying he's an angel, but what I'm saying is that the way our system set up in Jamaica, people can say anything and then you can get labeled. And then you have proven method of murder investigation which states that most of the time when you get killed or your house broken or somebody rob you, is somebody close to you. So in what Sir P was saying, I just didn't see a motive. So that brings me to this. So I check on the internet and lo and behold, Sir P did this video. And to me, it seems like he is responding to what I was speaking about in terms of the lawsuit. And obviously, you know, I am the Likkle YouTuber, not him. Because you see his message his title is Big Lawyer Crush Little YouTuber Sir P and expose him with this one move. So it just seems like Sir P is responding to what I posted yesterday about lawsuit. And like I say, I was speaking with somebody and they said if SHABDON it is like Sir P I tell, SHABDON should sue him. And because SHABDON don't sue him, that's why SHABDON is guilty. And me, countryman, I have a problem with that. You understand? Because lawsuit, like I explained, it's up to the courts to accept it. You know, I could go there with a bag of paper saying this and that or whatever, but it's up to the court to accept it and to prove a liable suit. It's like, in this case, it would be hard. So that's maybe one of the reasons why SHABDON haven't done that. And then the next reason is he probably don't care. You see what I'm saying? He probably don't care. But I am still sticking to my guns on this one, because this video that Sir P do, it looked like it's geared to me. And SHABDON. It seems like now I'm SHABDON biggest defender, and all I'm saying is there is no proof, and I'm sticking to my guns. And I know, like when I did the video yesterday, I try to break down the different angle of a murder investigation, and it doesn't matter where you are. Murders are investigated a certain kind of way, and even when you have the two gang, them say two gang in Jamaica now, and them a war. When one of the gang member get killed, and the one gang come out of the next gang side, you usually have somebody in there and give information to the next side. That's how it works. There is no way them can plan murder without communication and blood clot planning. And then them thing that leads to motive. You see what I'm saying? So all I'm trying to do is just give a different perspective on what the great Sir P is, vlog about. And like I say, I respect him, and him inspired me. I didn't listen to his video, but I see something about the Vulture Squad and stuff like that. Well, I think you're the former Alligator Squad. Yeah, the Alligator Squad. And put my Alligator Squad out there. But everything is good. Everything is fine. There is no war with me and Sir P. I respect him. There is no copying ism or whatever the hell it is. It's just my opinion. And YouTube is a big place. The world is a big place. I don't own YouTube. Sir P don't own YouTube. The rest of vloggers them don't own YouTube. In this day and time, with the technology and stuff we have, people can get information at a light speed pace, and it's a fair playing ground. You see what I'm saying? So my response would be, I respect Sir P, but I don't have to agree with his opinion. And if I do a video about something he did, that don't mean I hate him. That don't mean, you understand? And that's the problem with people. Yo, remember to click on another video, okay? And when you subscribe, leave a comment so I can give you a shout out. Arizona Boss, big up yourself. Maxine, big up yourself. And Ireland Patriot, big up yourself.